It's dirty trucking. I'm down here in the court 36th district, taking all day. My property manager is down here. I've spoken to the attorney. I don't know what kind of resolution we have, but me leaving the property because I don't have the rent. I don't have any money to pay the rent, and if they come to some sort of payment plan, I don't have the money. My money's been stolen. I don't have any money. I tried to get the money. That didn't work. It's been 2 months and I still don't even have the $2,000 from last month. So the only other option is to vacate the property. But what I'm seeing down here is just a lot of people down here dealing with evictions for non-payment. There's just a lot of this, a lot of us down here. I haven't seen nobody but us down here. So down here, 36th district, it's just nothing but us down here dealing with evictions, and I can't get legal aid to help because I'm over the threshold, and that's the problem. I'm over the threshold, but even though I don't have any money, I can't get anybody to help. So I'm at the mercy. So that I think my best bet is just go ahead and vacate the property, put my stuff in storage, and just hope for the best. Because I don't have the money. I don't have the money for a payment plan. I can't stop the stealing from the bank. I can't get my earnings back up because my earnings every week, from looking at it, is at least anywhere from $400 to $600 short, and that's the problem. That's the problem. I used to make more. I used to be able to bring in more. Now I'm not. So that's the problem. On top of them stealing the money out the bank, you're getting additional monies from the rental car. It's just a trail of just negativity. So I think the best bet when I go back in the courtroom, because from what I'm hearing, the judges, these people are agreeing to pay even if they got damages in the property needs to be repaired. They're in there standing up there paying, even though some of them has been there before about these same repairs that was not made, and they're paying this money. So I see where this is going. It don't matter what I say up there. It's about what I owe, and I don't have the money. That's point blank. So I'm just the cleanup person behind what Uber and Hertz did. So there's nothing I can do about it. I can say court right here. You see I'm in the building. That's not my courtroom, but I'm in the building. That's not my courtroom. My courtroom is down that way. But I'm in the building, so the best thing for me to do is just back up, get some storage, and honor my 60-day notice and be out by September 30th. Where I go, who knows how it turns out? I don't know. At least I'm out the building. So, it is what it is. I'm playing cleanup. This is the direct result of them dropping my 5-star, those bad reports that they claimed they used to drop my 5-star. The stealing with Hertz that nobody can seem to catch. And I'm tired of monitoring my bank account. What's the use of monitoring a bank account and telling them they stealing from you if they can't stop the stealing? And then if you contact Hertz, they gonna deny it. They've been ripping me off. That's why I couldn't get July in. I have never not paid the rent. I don't see the opportunity to get the rent unless I hit a number I'm not. I don't have any money. Hertz sent that payment in sooner, too soon, yesterday. The reason why I don't have an additional $45 to get gas. So now I have to sit here. There's nothing I can do. This is what Hertz been doing. Hertz has been definitely inconveniencing me, putting me in positions of that I shouldn't be in. That payment that was supposed to come in after I made the payment yesterday wasn't supposed to come in until after midnight. But what did Hertz do? They sent it in because they knew. You know why? Because I was thinking it. I said, if I could just make $45 more, I'll go ahead and transfer this. I'm good. I can get gas for the next 2 days, blah, blah, blah. Get to 290. What did they do? They did the opposite. Oh, she trying to get $45. They sent the payment on in. So when I transferred it over in my account, it hit the negative balance. So now I don't have anything. So nothing I can do. I'm just clean up. I'm just doing cleanup from the damage that they've done. They want to get me down here in the court. They want to see how I want to act. They want to see how I'm going to act. They want to take a look at me. They want to go around and do this street verification of what I'm saying. So I'm going to let them go ahead and do that. But I need to leave the property. So it's nothing I can do. I don't have the money. So at the end of the day, I got to go. So they want to see me. Like I said, they got me down here. They use the people to verify what I'm saying and all this. Talking about you're going to be brutal if you lying and all this. I don't lie. You just don't do anything about it. And I'm tired of the street game. I want to leave Michigan because I'm tired of it. I'm tired of these people trying to do something to call me down to court. You sit me down here wasting my time. Probably out there going through the car. They was in there talking about you won the lottery. My lottery ticket is in the car. I'm tired of this. I'm really tired of this stuff that's going on here in Michigan. It's sad and it's sorry. And now I hate the fact that my mother gave birth to me in this state. I wish I was born somewhere else because I don't like what's going on here. It's nothing but a game. And they walk around acting like this is a game that I'm willingly participating in. So I'm just a cleanup person. I'm going to vacate the property and have a nice day. That's it. So that's my update. So we're on a 15-minute recess and I'm out of here. That's all we can do. Because I see these people still paying money while these property managers are not keeping the upkeep of the property. And I could stand up there all day and talk about the illegal entry. They switch this, switch that. Only thing it's going to boil down to is you owe this. They don't care what was done to me in their property. And I'm listening to these court cases and I hear that. And this is terrible. Terrible. You got to get your own attorney. But what? Why can't I get my attorney? Because Uber be keeping me without money to get an attorney. So I'm screwed. I'm just a cleanup person. I'm cleaning up what Uber and Hertz caused with this stealing and theft. That's all. I'm the cleanup person. So I got to do what's best for me. And I think what's best for me is to vacate the property. Because what I'm hearing down here in these courtrooms is that these people are standing up here paying to stay when they got damages to the property, repairs need to be made, and they sit up and paying this money. The court can't give you legal advice. So me being down there, I want to address the court about the illegal entry, but she can't give me any legal advice. So it's just like talking for nothing. So my intention is to honor that 60-day notice I put in, and I'm going to vacate the property. I wish I had the money to leave Michigan because I'm sick of all of this. This is the most incredible nonsense I've ever seen for my life. Ever. And I can't believe Uber got me down here deliberately. This is incredible. What I'm hearing in these courtrooms, what I'm seeing. These people got property damage, all this, and you sitting up there still paying. I'll be out of there. I'm done. I'm tired. How much more illegal entry am I going to put up with? And it's not going to stop. If I do find another residence, it's going to just start back as soon as they get the address. They already started with me putting in the applications. You can't do anything. You not back until after my court date. Wow. This is what they do here in Michigan. I swear to God, I wish I lived somewhere else. I wish to God I never even worked for Uber. I swear to God, I wish I didn't live in Michigan. Because this stuff here is terrible. Nothing but a game. I'm just listening to this stuff. This is terrible. Ain't nobody doing nothing about nothing. You can stand up there, plead your case. You owe this. How you want to pay. If you don't pay, you got to get out. That's it. That's what it boils down to. It's Dirty Trucking. Just giving you an update. I think my 15 minutes in the past. Let me get on back here in this courtroom.